Hello, brave warriors and loving caretakers. I'm your host, TBI Journey, back at it again with a brand new video. Today's video, Survival Guide. As we continue to move on forward with the broken camera and, well, quite honestly, a non-printed printable, as you can see here, I'm using standard paper. But we're going to try not to stress for the holidays and just continue to move on forward. So in real time, fill this out with me. So as you can tell, this is broken down by days, and if you follow along, we really don't have a lot of days until Christmas. So this will help organize all of that chaos that needs to get done just before the holidays roll in. I have many sections to fill out in here, and I'm hoping that each of these sections will help you out along with rest and reset. If you would like to get your own free printable, look down in the description and you should find the link. Let's continue forward. If you had been following my videos in this current series, then you would know that I had confessed that I had been feeling a bit burnt out. These are some of the ways that I actually help control some of that burnout, is by having these printables. I will link the additional printables down below if you would like to catch the other printables that we've been working on in this series. But burnout is a real thing, especially during the holidays. And I'm really hoping that this particular one will be able to be reproduced through multiple videos in multiple areas. I mean, that's why I put it as an event survival guide. Like, how cool would it be for Thanksgiving or New Year's or, like birthdays? It would be a really great way to catch all of that information so that you're not forgetting things. If you've made it this far, you are definitely a true warrior. Can you leave an emoji down below of how you celebrate Christmas? Mine's going to be a Christmas tree. As I fill out this sheet, you'll notice that the pen didn't want to work with me. I will brainstorm some ideas of how to fix the filming, how to fix the printer paper, and how to fix the pen in my next video. I am getting a very long list of things that I have to remember for my next video. So now we're moving on to the next section of shopping list. If you look up above, you have a list of day-by-day activities, and I didn't include Saturday and Sunday as I felt the stress would be too much, so I left them off of the worksheet. But moving back into the current section, it has a shopping list where you can catch all of this information that you're going to need for planning big events. And that's what I absolutely love about this survival guide, is that it's everything in one place. It's day by day. It's the stuff that you need to get for the event. It's food and self-care on one single sheet. I mean, that's kind of amazing to me. In this particular food section, I do want to point out that everybody's needs are different. So if this isn't your list, then go ahead and be my guest and fill it out to what foods you would traditionally be buying during this time of year. I did a standard Christmas list, but I understand that not everybody celebrates Christmas my way. Now, after all of that chaos, let's go ahead and move into some rewards. Who doesn't like self-care after a long day of work? I just kind of randomly stuck things in that I think would work with each day, and what I felt I was able to complete after each one of the days was done. So my first one was lots of rest, because I knew moving forward that, well, it was going to get a little on the crazy side. So these are just some ideas that I came up with. Maybe you can comment down below some ideas that you could come up with to help others within the community. As a reminder to myself, I went ahead on this other side and did day 1 through day 7 so that I knew how to pair these things up with the days up above. It's not necessary, but it kind of helped me to be able to figure out what I was moving towards each day of the week. My favorite of this entire list was the pre-planned dinners, so looking forward to something as simple as that was excellent. In this next clip, I'll show you a really good pre-planned dinner. In here, I did a sushi bake, and I'm going to confess I've never eaten it this way before, so I'm going to sit and laugh at myself in this clip. As I sit and giggle at myself, I'm going to point out how I made this sushi bake. So if you want to go check it out, the link will be down below as well. Because understanding is the first step towards change.